first date jitters affecting your confidence? So say goodbye to those nerve-wracking moments and hello to a new level of self-assurance. It's time to unlock the secret to a smooth and unforgettable first date experience. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth. Today, in honor of Valentine's Day, we will make the first date roll-on. It's a delightful blend of essential oils designed to boost your confidence. This enchanting roll-on is crafted with care, combining scents that exude charm, allure, and charisma. It's the perfect companion to help you feel grounded, self-assured, and ready to make a lasting connection. So before we dive into this recipe, I want you to know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it so easy to create natural DIY products. That's why when you subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, you get the key ingredients you need for this recipe delivered right to your door. No more searching for elusive ingredients or buying in bulk. We've got you covered. And guess what? We will even throw in a big bonus box filled with extra goodies to enhance your DIY journey when you subscribe. Of course, if you would for some reason prefer to gather all the ingredients for this recipe independently, you can find them at simplyearth.com. Store-bought roll-ons and inhalers often contain harsh chemicals. Yuck. We don't want to expose ourselves to these. With this recipe, you can feel good inhaling every bit of it. Our carefully curated ingredients are natural and free from harmful additives, which will ensure a soothing and refreshing experience. So turn off distractions because making is healing. Let's make first date roll-on together. From your box, you will need 2 drops of Love Essential Oil Blend. This helps with emotional balance, supports romantic feelings, and is uplifting. Perfect for this. 2 drops of Citrus Burst Blend. This is uplifting and energizing. And 2 drops of Copaiba Essential Oil. This helps center, support respiration, and emotional balance as well. Also 10 mils of fractionated coconut oil, which is moisturizing, and a 10 ml roll-on bottle. First, remove the roller cap from the roll-on bottle. Add essential oils to the bottle, swirl to mix. Next, fill the roll-on bottle the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. Replace the roller cap and swirl to mix. Don't forget this step. Don't forget to add your label. To use, apply to pulse points to support feelings of confidence. Wow, this smells so enchanting. You can make this too. Are you looking to explore more natural DIY recipes? Then subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box and receive monthly shipments of high quality ingredients and step-by-step instructions, making it effortless to craft your natural products. When you make this enchanting first date roll-on recipe, capture the moment and share it on social media with #IMadeThis. Don't forget to tag from Simply Earth for a chance to win a $5 gift card and be featured on our social media pages. We can't wait to see your creations. If you enjoy making this recipe, we have more exciting and easy to follow natural DIY recipes waiting for you. Check out the videos on the screen right after this one for more inspiration. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest recipes and tips for your DIY journey. Thank you for watching.